Now let us discuss the 9-6 question. From the following pair of ions, which one is not an isoelectronic pair? Now let us firstly try to understand what you meant by isoelectronic. Iso means same, electronic means electrons. That means which pair having the same number of electrons are called isoelectronic pairs. Now let us verify the each and every option. First option, Fe2 positive plus manganese 2 plus. We know that ferrous atomic number 26, its electronic configuration is argon 4s2 3d6. 18 plus 2 20, 20 plus 6 26. Okay, now in a plus 2 form, that means loss of 2 electrons, then its electronic configuration becomes argon 4s0 3d6. That means number of electrons 18 plus 6, it becomes 24 electrons by the loss of 2 electrons. Okay, now let us verify the manganese 2 positive. Manganese atomic number is 25. Its electronic configuration is argon 4s2 3d5. Here also loss of 2 electrons. It becomes argon 4s0 3d5. That means 18 plus 5 becomes 23. Here number of electrons in Fe2 positive is 23. Here number of electrons in Mn2 positive is 20. Here 24. Here 23. Here Fe2 positive Mn2 positive does not obey the isoelectronic. Why? Because their cases they are not have the same electrons. Ferrous 2 plus 2 having the 24 electrons, manganese 2 positive having the 23 electrons. That's why it does not obey the isoelectronic pair. That's why our answer is A is our correct answer. Now let us verify the remaining option also. Second option. Here O2 2 minus Fe minus. We know that atomic number of oxygen is 8. You know that atomic number is equal to number of electrons. That's why its electrons also 8. Here negative charge 2 minus, that means addition of 2 electron to get 8 electron. 8 electron plus 2 electron, it becomes 10 electron. Okay. Fe minus, we know that atomic number of fluorine is 9. That means 9 electron plus negative charge means addition of 1 electron, it becomes 10 electrons. Here O2 2 minus and F minus are isoelectronic pair. Why? Because both having the same number of electrons. Now let us verify the option 3. Here Na positive and magnesium 2 positive. Sodium atomic number is 11. That means its electrons are 11 electrons. Here positive charge means subtraction of 1 electron, it becomes 10 electrons. We know that magnesium atomic number is 12. Then its electrons becomes 12 electrons. Here 2 positive. That means subtraction of 2 electron. 12 minus 2, it becomes 10 electrons. In this case also having the same electrons. That's why it obeys the isoelectronic pair. Now let us verify the option 4. Here manganese 2 positive and Fe 3 positive. We know that ferrous atomic number is 22. Its electronic configuration is argon 4s2 3d6. Now let us see the configuration of Fe3 positive. Its electronic configuration by the loss of 3 electrons, it becomes argon 4s0 3d5. That means argon 18 electron plus 5, it becomes 23 electrons. Now Mn 2 positive. Its electronic configuration is, its atomic number is 25. Its electronic configuration argon 4s2 3d5. By loss of 2 electron, its electronic configuration becomes argon 4s0 3d5. That means 18 electron from argon plus 5 electron, it becomes 23. Fe3 positive having 23 electrons, Mn2 positive is also having 23 electrons. That's why these both are in isoelectronic pair. So option A does not follow the isoelectronic rule. Why? Because here ferrous having the 24 electrons, manganese 2 positive having 23 electrons. So our answer is A is our correct answer.